It may look like a typical day. North Kansas City Schools Automotive Technology students learning under the hood.
So pull the pins on the front plate.
But these students are having a banner year.
I'm just so proud of what they do.
Among the awards, named Best in the Midwest and top 4 finalists for School of the Year. Students traveled to Las Vegas after their customized truck was chosen to be featured at an international car aftermarket convention.
That was amazing.
Then making the cover of a national trade magazine.
When they saw that cover, undescribable. The pride from them and knowing what they went through, that's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Steering this program is former student and Oak Park grad, Jack Stow. He's been helping students on the road to success for some 20 years.
I want them to get a feeling for all areas of the automotive industry, be it marketing, be it sales, repair, whatever they want to do, that's the connections that I want to make and get for them. Nope, other way.
Mason prefers hands-on learning and says seeing their hard work pay off boosts self-confidence.
You can thoroughly explain what you did, why you did it, how it's going to help, how it fixed the problem. I think that helps a lot.
Female students like Marla are welcomed into the program.
That was one of my biggest fears coming here. It's never been a problem. Just fitting, just being me, and we just have a good time.
Just love one.
Jack's passion for the industry is inspiring.
Him loving his job really helps him convince you that there is something out there in the industry for you.
I've gotten to have a lot of opportunities because of that attitude and that ethic, and I think that's a great thing.
Let me show you.
But it's his students that drive Jack.
We have to cover so much more to get them ready, and they are so eager for that challenge. How could you not be inspired by that?